So I just wanted to see how my camera works when I use like a selfie stick, and then if I pull this out all the way. So like this. Alright, so I'm going to show you what happened. This is my selfie stick, and what happened is that this thing here broke off. Here in the selfie stick on the bottom, this thing came out. Okay. And then on the other side, as it hit the ground, it came out too. So I can unscrew this here, there. That is the connector that is screwed to the thing. So this is glued in, obviously, here. We can glue this back in there, but the expensive camera now would have been broken if you would have used the selfie stick. Can you imagine that? Oh my god.